So just coming back from a Volkswagen Club meeting and Accelerator snapped. What am I going to do to fix this? Here we go. I've got tools, I'll be fine. So I've created a loop there. It's got a 10mm on it so I can bind that with some zip ties. So I'll bind that all together and then I've got my loop. And then I'll run some more zip ties back here to where the other end of my accelerator cable usually is. And then I'll have throttle again. So she's all done. Basically got a zip tied accelerator cable now. Should get me home, no dramas at all. Try and do that in your fucking Yaris, mate. Alright, moment of truth.